Prone wall angels with theraband. Yep, that's right, that's the exercise name. It's not very original, but this is one heavenly exercise for posture. You're about to say hi with the clouds, but without the substances. Say no to drugs, let's break down the movement. So running it back, for starters, we're going to be in prone position, which is lying down on our tummy. Grab a light to moderate resistance band, and with arms outstretched in front, you're going to split the band around shoulder width apart. You're then going to pull the band down from behind your head, making sure that your shoulders are largely bent at 90 degrees and your elbows bent at 90 degrees as well. From then, alternate between having your arms outstretched, then coming down into an external rotation position, whilst keeping tension on the band. Few pointers to keep when you're doing this exercise is to feel tension around your back and your shoulder blades. Always keep them tensed, but make sure that your neck is comfortably lifted off the ground. Also make sure you're still breathing. Life too short to be creating our own asphyxiation by theraband. Anyway, start with 3 lots of 10.